Hey, science lovers. Today we're going to make a dessert that tastes like sunshine. Mango coconut chia pudding. No oven, no sugar, just nature's magic in a jar. The coconut milk and the mango are playing together beautifully. The chia seeds have puffed up and turned into pudding. It's amazing, isn't it? Nature's magic. People have been eating them since 1500 BCE. That's 3,500 years ago. It's so cool. The chia seeds have puffed up and made a yummy pudding. Let's take it out and show you. This is one we made earlier. It's ready to go. It's been chilling in the fridge for a few hours, and here's another one we made earlier. We used half of the mixture to make this one. You see these little white things floating on the surface? Those are the chia seeds. They're soft and squishy now. They can turn into a pudding when they meet water. And they're full of good stuff, fiber and good fats that will keep you full and feeling great. Plus, when they absorb liquid, they get supersized, so it's a win-win. This is one we made earlier. Can you see how thick and luscious it is? It's like a creamy cloud. You can also make chia pudding in a big batch. It's perfect for parties or potlucks. Just multiply the ingredients and get creative. You can serve it in small cups like these or in a big bowl. It's so versatile, just like you. When we blended the pudding, they got kind of hidden. They'll keep you full and energized. Plus, they're gluten-free and vegan, so everyone can enjoy it. It's a guilt-free indulgence. And the best part, you get to make a healthy treat that feels like a tropical vacation. You never know what flavor adventure awaits. And guess what? You can top it with whatever you want. Mango and coconut are awesome, but you can also add berries for a burst of flavor. Berries are full of antioxidants that help protect your body from damage. Plus, they're low in calories and high in fiber, which means they'll keep you feeling full without all the extra calories. So it's a tasty and healthy choice. They're still in there, but now they're hard to see. And the best part, it's so thick and creamy. And if you want to get fancy, you can add a little honey or maple syrup on top. But the best part, it's all up to you. This is your creation, so don't be afraid to experiment and have fun. It's like a tropical vacation in every bite. Like we did with this one, we made an orange vanilla pudding. So we separated the mixture before pouring it into the jar. The result, a beautiful layered pudding. It's like a rainbow in a jar. And look, there's still plenty of pudding left in the bowl. We're going to save some for tomorrow. Well, let's try it. Oh wow, it's so good. The mango and coconut flavors are dancing in my mouth. It's like a party in there. And it's not too sweet, just right. Plus, it has a secret ingredient that makes it extra special. Can you name that? That's right, chia seeds. They're making this whole thing possible. They were an important food source for ancient cultures like the Aztecs and Mayans. In fact, the Mayan word for chia is chia, which means oily. They knew all about those good fats. And the Aztecs used chia seeds in religious ceremonies because they thought the seeds looked like the stars in the sky. But everyone can enjoy chia seeds, not just the ancient people. So don't forget to save a spoonful of the mixture to add on top. It's going to be delicious. If you're in a rush, you can use a blender to mix it all together, but this is how you normally make chia pudding. Pour the mixture into small jars or cups. This is our finished pudding. It's ready to eat. Just give it a little stir. It's so refreshing, just like a tropical vacation. Taste it. Tastes like sunshine. Here we're making two different kinds of pudding, a mango coconut and an orange vanilla. Don't forget to like this video. And if you want to see more fun science experiments like this, subscribe. Until then, here's a science-tastic song to help you on your way. All you need is a little bit of love and a sprinkle of fun. You can bake it, you can shake it, you can grow anything. Just add a little sunshine and watch it all unfold. You can make it, you can do it, you can grow anything. All you need is a little bit of love and a sprinkle of fun. You can bake it, You can shake it, you can grow anything. Just add a little sunshine and watch it all unfold. If you want to share your pudding pics with us, tag us on social media. And don't forget to tune in next time for another exciting episode in the Leaf Lab. Then let's chill them in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours, or even better, overnight. That way the chia seeds have enough time to absorb the liquid and turn into pudding. While we wait, let's learn about our next garden science moment. Did you know that chia seeds come from a desert plant called Salvia hispanica? It's originally from Mexico and Central America, but now you can grow it almost anywhere. The plant has tiny leaves and beautiful purple flowers. But the coolest part, those little black seeds inside the pods, they're packed with nutrients. When they meet water, they soak it all up and form a jelly-like coating around each seed. That's how they turn into pudding. Chia seeds are full of fiber and good fats that will keep you full and give you energy. They also help keep you hydrated because when they absorb liquid, they get 30 times larger. So if you want to stay hydrated and feel great, chia seeds are a perfect snack. Now it's time for our secret ingredient, 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Give everything a good stir so the chia seeds are totally soaked in the creamy coconut mango mixture. It's looking so good, but what do we do now? We wait. Watch what happens over time. You'll need 1 cup coconut milk, 1 ripe mango, 3 tablespoons chia seeds. And if you want, you can sprinkle on some shredded coconut or berries on top. This is our mango. It's big and juicy and ready for an adventure. Peel it, then put it in a blender. We're gonna blend it until it looks like this, nice and smooth. Next, pour your coconut milk into a bowl. Add the mango puree and give it a good stir. While we're waiting, let's do a garden science moment. Back to our recipe. We've been waiting patiently, haven't we? And now it's time to see what happened. Can you believe it? Did you know that chia seeds have been used for thousands of years? Now it's time to check on our pudding. Look at that. Now let's top it with more mango and some coconut flakes for fun. When you're done, wash your hands and put away all the ingredients. It was so much fun to make this with you. You can make it, you can do it, you can grow anything. Well, our pudding is all grown up. Let's take a closer look. Speaking of taste, remember how we saved some pudding from earlier? Chia seeds are tiny but mighty. And here's another one we made earlier. Each spoonful is like a little surprise. And guess what? We sprinkled on some shredded coconut. It adds a nice chewy texture and a lot of flavor. And here's something cool. If you want to make a layered pudding, you can use different fruits for each layer. And remember, it's not just delicious, it's also super healthy. Chia seeds are packed with fiber and good fats. We hope you had fun making this recipe with us. It's so easy and fun, just like you. Thanks for watching and happy pudding making.